Hello guys, Chad here from Day Trading Forex Live. Just wanted to go over this Euro Yen trade that I took last Friday to more or less explain how you can still get trades when the longer term levels aren't really cleared, and this is how we go about doing it. We got to put the confluence together of I like to see at least three uh, things that the smart money's showing us what they're doing before I go ahead and take a trade, because in all reality there was this long trade here that is with the overall extended up move in the euro yen. However, in my mind it's a bit more risky because you're just trading the pins, and we do got a pin back up over in here too, so it's and then right there also, so that's really not clear enough for me. So I went ahead and just patiently waited throughout a long for a long day. This is actually when I took the entry, it was pretty close to creeping up on my bedtime, but let's just go over what we have here. We do have the three pushes to the upside resulting in a pin bar. So that equals two, and I like to see at least three. And then not only that, but we have the manipulation range here at 57 pips. Anywhere between 25 and 50 pips is where the markets has a good chance for the manipulation to be at its end. So there's three, and then right after that pin bar we got the signs of the trap, which is this spinning top here, and my entry was right after that candle, about 3 minutes into this candle, as you can see by my order here later, and this black line was my entry price. Once this candle finished, it shows me that there's more signs of a trap. And if I was patient, I could have actually got a better entry back over here where it's actually forming the second pin, which is a nice confirmation also, or addition to our confluence of events here. This red line is where my stop was at 25 pips, and I just set it and went to bed, left my take profit open. Ended up waking up Saturday pretty much break even, pretty much the same thing come Monday. However, they're showing that this is possible trap move right here at this high, with the doji there, and then the pullback, trapping traders there. We got almost a nice set of reversal legs. So I went ahead and just held this, watched it throughout the morning, and exited over here when it was coming up on Friday's low, and made a pin bar just to be safe and book my 60 pips. As you can see, I actually end up running off and going well over 100 pips on that. But for me, holding a trade over the weekend is a little bit more risky, and I just wanted to go ahead and take what I could get at, because I really didn't feel that Asia was going to be pushing it any lower, and they didn't. It took London to do that. But anyway, on top of all this, there was pretty much the same trade going on the euro dollar that I was talking with one of our members, and that he took, and he actually ended up getting stopped out. Pretty much looked exactly the same as far as the three pushes up, but the U.S. market had a little bit more extended push to the upside than they wanted in the euro yen, and the reason why is this right here, the dollar yen. Once I had this coming together with everything on the euro looking the same, the euro yen looking pretty much exactly the same, I went ahead and looked at the correlation factor. As you can see here, the dollar yen has already had some pins to the high and starting to roll over. So this is what actually made me take the euro yen at this point, because the more we can add to the confluence of factors to go ahead and take the trade, the better off we are, especially when we're looking at a scenario where things really aren't that clear as far as the longer term pushes. So anyways, guys, I hope this helps you in your trading, and if you want to check out some more of the free information over at Day Trading Forex Live, we will see you there. Take care.